Iberian. My name is Luis Gerardo Cortés. I am a student of the Ibero-American Virtual University of the Faculty of Industrial Engineering. The following video is for you to optimize your cell phone, making it faster with all for Android phones. First of all, ask you to give the like button and subscribe to my channel. The first step is to go the setting button. Then we go to the end of the menu and click on the button above the phone. The next step is to enter the software option or compilation number. Press it 5 times to enable the developer option of the telephone. After enabling the option, we go back and enter the system and updates. And go down to the developer option. Then we locate the buffer CC or registered memory CC and click. And we give it in the 66 aim, and you exit the menu and you will realize how your cell phone is faster. We browsing the internet. You also place in the developer option the transition animation scale option. Windows animation scale, animation duration scale, and we deactivate. Then also your phone is faster in its function. I hope you will have liked the video. Thank you very much for your attention, and God bless you.